G'day, namaste. I'm coming at you from Old Delhi, India. It's made famous by the walled city. It's made famous by the walled city built by Mughal empires in 1639. Ended up remaining the capital of Mughal Empire until 1857 when British Raj kicked him out. That's another story for another day. Today, it's made famous by insanely hectic bazaars, insanely amazing street food, and insanely beautiful monuments, which I'm going to show you all of it. I'll just warn you, if there's one place that I get too overwhelmed, it's going to be here in Old Delhi, so you don't want to miss it. Let's do it. Yeah, so right off the bat, I walked down a market lane and look at the colors. Damn, that's a beautiful skirt. Hey man, it's nice. Yeah. Yeah, I'm good, thanks. Yeah, look at all these colors. This is India. Stuff of my dreams. So I'm on the main drag here of Old Delhi. It's called Chandni Chowk. I'll just say Chandni is the Hindi name for moonlight, I'm quite sure. It's been redeveloped since last time I was here. It's much more nice to walk on. There's no cars anymore, which is absolute blessing. It's bloody hot, so I need a cold drink, and I also need to wee, which, believe it or not, is harder than you think. So, gotta do it. Whoa, this is beautiful. Look at this. Absolutely stunning. Kinda wish I could wear that. As I walk past this insanely beautiful Sikh temple, I'm still looking for my cold drink and toilet. So it's harder than you reckon looking for toilets around these kinds of areas of Delhi, unless you go to a restaurant or whatever, but normally they make you pay. Anyways, search continues. I'm just gonna have to go into a restaurant. There's one here. Wish me luck. I just did my pizza. Instead of a cold drink, I've spotted some coffee. I need it. Let's get it. Damn, I'm already feeling a bit like overwhelmed with all the crowds, and it's not even busy around this part. So, don't know what the hectic bit will be like. Taking the time. Buy egg kulfi. Shukriya. Thank you. Oh yeah, that's what I needed. So, right up ahead, amazing, beautiful monument, the old Emperor's Palace, Lal Killa, Red Fort. So I'm not going to take you in there because I've done it 10 times. I don't really get too much from it. It's just like a king's house. I'm going to take you somewhere special. Alright, here's a better view of Red Fort. That flag up there, that flag is where the first Indian flag ever was displayed on 15th of August 1947 when India gained its independence from the British. So right in front of me, I would say, is the greatest mosque in this whole country. It's so beautiful. I love coming here. It's so peaceful. I just hang out. I'm in the shade right now with some Rajasthani boys. They're absolute legends. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
But no, here's the main subject. This Jama Masjid. built by the Mughal Empire, the emperor who built this old walled city I was explaining to you earlier, Shah Jahan. Yes, he built this same time as the city. Of course, the city needs a mosque. Of course, he needs to build an insanely beautiful mosque. It's unbelievable. Let's go explore. To start with, I'll take you over to this fountain, center of the mosque. We've got to walk on carpets around here because the ground is so damn hot. They got carpets set up around the mosque for you to get around. Otherwise you'll end up with blisters on your feet. And I'm gonna get my feet a bit wet in this water. Okay, so oh, it's so cute. Alright, let's not slip. Oh, it's hot. Oh my god. Yeah. Hey, but check out how beautiful it is. Oh my god. I was just reading over at the entrance there, they got a bit of history. They got a bit of history of the mosque, and they were explaining Shah Jahan was questioned about how long it was taking. Apparently it was taking you know, up to 10 years, and he went to the foreman, and the foreman explained every single block of stone that was laid here they had to recite the Quran for. So you can imagine, just looking around, how many blocks that is. Thousands. I'm not sure if that was the whole Quran or what. Anyways, Shah Jahan thought that was great, and then he told his critics that it will bloody well take as long as it needs because this is how it should be built. This might be stupid, but I'm gonna run along the stone. I'm aiming for those shadows. Yeah. Sorry?
Insta ID?
Instagram? No, I don't have Instagram, sorry. No.
Okay. You are not using?
Nah, sorry. Alright, here goes nothing. Hey, people walking on it, it can't be too bad. Ah, it's alright. No issues, no issues. Oh, it's hot. So come inside and let's check it out. So it's made up of white brick or marble, and the red is stone. Yeah, marble, this white is. It is cool here. Oh. Almost 400 years old. Oh, look at that chandelier. Obviously it's not original, but imagine what that looks like back in its heyday. People praying, so I want to be respectful. So the minarets you can actually climb up the top of, and I haven't done that for years and years because you got to pay a bit extra, but I'll take you up there. So starting to make my way up. It's going to be a bit of a hike, but it's going to be definitely worth it. I know it's a clear day. I thought about coming here yesterday, but it was hazy, so I wanted to come on a clear day so I could get really good view. Check out where we're going. Oh yeah. Man, it's just madness. That's not even busy down there. A better look at them. You see on the right one, the spire's a bit drunk. I'm sure they'll fix that up in no time. But what a stunning mosque. Easily my favorite mosque I've been to. I'm seeing light. Yeah, we're up here. Shit, that was a workout. But let's see if it was all worth it. Hey guys. Alright, holy shit. Take a look at this. Yeah, this must be the best view in Delhi, I reckon. Phenomenal. And natural AC. Yeah, natural AC. It's nice up here. Check it. Yeah, right. Whoa, this red fort over here. You really get to see the magnitude of just how big it is, you know? That's Red Fort. That was once someone's home. Alright, on to the next stop, which I'm really excited to go to. Oh my god. I brought you here to literally the best restaurant in the city. It's opposite Jama Masjid. It was founded when the British Raj took over and Mughal Empire collapsed. So the cooks for the Mughal Empire, they needed a job, so they start up a kitchen opposite Jama Masjid, and 150 years later, 200 years later, it's still going. So the great-grandson of this restaurant is running it today. So phenomenal place. This is the stuff of my dreams. I think of this all the time when I'm back home, and it's one of the few places I'll eat meat in India, so can't wait for the food to come out. So it started to come out. I'm just waiting on a piece of naan, but my curry's come out, and I've also gone a chicken biryani. This is real Mughali cuisine. The chicken's on the bone. So this one's chicken garari. It's cooked with tomatoes and masala. Oh my. What the hell? Oh my god. They say there's making love, there's having sex, and then there's we know what one this is. This. The biryani was good, but your chicken jangari, absolutely mind-blowing. We don't even have jangari on a menu in Australia. I'm definitely coming back here before I leave Delhi. Face fit for a king, or a Mughal I should say. Not sure if I said, it's called Karims. And it's hidden down there. Look, I'm about to get run over. Look, this is old Delhi. You've seen the sights? This is a good time to sign off. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, learned a thing or two about the Mughals, and have a good rest of your day.